Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 7th standard. Today I will discuss about Antarctica. Here Antarctica, and in between Antarctica, Indian expedition to Antarctica. From 1989, India has started research in Antarctica. Till now, our country has set up 3 major stations in the continent. Number 1, Dakshin Gangotri, number 2, Maitri, and number 3, Bharti. So, Dakshin Gangotri, the Antarctic Treaty was signed by India in 1938. The station was established in 1983 and was completed in January 1984. This team has 81 members and the station was built in 84 days. The Dakshin Gangotri station was set up at 70 degree 5 minutes south latitude and 12 degree east longitude. It was an unmanned station and the station was computerized indigenous equipment. So next we will come Maitri. Maitri was set up in 1988 and 89. Its location is 70 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 11 degree 44 minutes east longitude. It is about 70 kilometers away from Dakshin Gangotri. Maitri is manned and well-equipped station. Usually the explorers visit Maitri station at the end of the summer season. It is an Indian station, inland station, which has accommodated 25 people in its main building during summers and winters. The communication with India is through satellite. After that, we are coming Bharati. The Bharati was set up on 18th March 2012. It is located at 69 degree 24 minutes and for 0.41 minutes south and 76 degree 11.72 minutes east. Means once again I am saying it is located into 69 degree 24.41 minutes south and 76 degree and 11.72 minute east longitude. It is nearly 3000 kilometers east of Maitri. It is about 35 meters above sea level. It can accommodate 47 people in the main building during the summers and also winters. The communication with India is through satellite. Now, some Indian expeditions to India, to Antarctica, I am saying now, you listen just, that is first expedition, the purpose, what was the purpose was there, that one I am saying. The expedition I am saying about from 1982 to 2013-14, up to this I am saying. So first expedition, the purpose was an unmanned station, Dakshin Gangotri was set up in Antarctica. And third expedition, for the first time 2 women were sent to the continent for research. Fourth expedition, Indian scientists visited in South Pole. Fourth, after that fourth, fifth, sixth, not is there. After that 8th expedition, a manned station named Maitri was set up. After that 11th expedition, for the first time, Colombian scientists joined Indian expedition to encourage our scientists. And then 20th expedition, the new experiment were carried out in the field of meteorology, science and landscapes. And 33 expedition, that was 2013 and 14, the India is preparing for launching Indian scientific expedition and to work at Maitri and Bharati research stations. So this is that the Indian expeditions to Antarctica. In short, I have described. So I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.